On September 22, 2023, around 10:27 p.m., Officer Eric Van Schaack with the Middletown Township Police Department was assigned to the Monmouth County DWI Strike Force checkpoint at 75 State Route 35 North. He observed a white Jeep driving slowly towards him and instructed her to stop before requesting her documents. As he was speaking with the driver, who was later identified as Vanessa Reiser, Officer Van Schaack noticed that her eyes were bloodshot and watery, and she had droopy eyelids. He also detected the odor of alcohol. She told the officer that she was coming from a friend's and admitted to consuming 2 drinks.
Hi, ma'am. Just letting you know I'm recording this interaction on a body camera at this point, okay? Yeah. All right, can you just hop out of the car for me real quick? I just want to make sure that you're okay to drive, okay? Just gonna escort you right to the front of my vehicle, okay? Of your vehicle, okay? So you said, where are you coming from tonight?
Red Bank.
Red Bank, okay. And you said you had 2 drinks tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Are you sick or injured at all right now?
No.
Do you wear glasses or contacts?
No.
No. Okay. All right. You should check your eyes, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to keep your head straight, okay, and follow my finger with your eyes only. Do you understand the instructions? You're going to up, right? Okay, hold it. You're going to the other. Don't move your head, just on the thing, okay? Alright. I want to do 2 tests, okay? But you're wearing heels. Do you have other shoes in the car, or do you want to take your heels off?
I'll take my heels off.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay?
Yeah, go. Yeah, that's why I'm giving you the option. You just put them down there. We're just going to step right over here, okay? Just want you to stand right here, ma'am, and face that way, okay? All right there's good, okay? What I want you to do, okay, where you put your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe, just like this.
Your right foot in front of my left foot?
Yep. Go ahead and do that. Arms at your side, okay? Don't start the test until I tell you to, okay? Do you understand that? But when I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down an imaginary straight line, okay? Just like this. 1, 2, 3. Don't start yet. Okay? When you get to your 9th step, you're going to keep your front foot planted. Then you're going to take a series of small steps around, just like this. And then 9 heel-to-toe steps back towards where you started. Okay? Yep. While taking the steps, I want you to keep your arms at your side, maintain eye contact with your feet, and count each step aloud. Okay. Do you have any questions before you begin? No. Whenever you're ready, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, great. Okay. Next thing I want you to do, put both your feet together just like this, arms to your side, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to lift either foot of your choice 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep your foot parallel with the ground and maintain eye contact with your feet and count aloud 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay? So this should be just like this, all right? 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. All right? Do you have any questions about it before you begin?
Kind of. I'm not sure what I should do.
Okay. When I tell you to, you're going to lift either foot of your choice 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep your foot parallel with the ground and maintain eye contact with your feet. You're going to count aloud 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. I'll demonstrate it again, okay? 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Okay? All right. Whenever you're ready, go ahead.
Based on their suspicion of impairment, Vanessa was asked to perform field sobriety exercises. The first exercise was the Horizontal Gaze Nystagmus test. During the HGN test, Officer Van Schaack observed the lack of smooth pursuit, distinct and sustained nystagmus at maximum deviation, and the onset of nystagmus prior to 45 degrees. He did not observe vertical gaze nystagmus. The second exercise was the walk and turn test. During the walk and turn test, Vanessa failed to touch heel to toe on each step and turned improperly. The third exercise was the one-leg stand test, and Vanessa failed to raise her foot in the proper fashion and put her foot down before the test was complete.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000.
Keep going.
8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000.
Okay, that's good. All right. All right. Just need you to put your hands behind your back for me, okay? This officer's just going to search you here, okay? You're bleeding.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me or poke me or anything shoved up here?
Okay. You're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay? I'm just going to pull my car out real quick. Passenger side. Walk right this way, ma'am. I'm going to get your shoes. I'll bring them with us, okay? Just go right in here, okay? You're going to put your butt in first, okay? Just watch your head, watch your head.
Based on her indicators of impairment, the odor of alcohol, her admission to consuming alcohol before driving, and her inability to adequately complete the field sobriety exercises, Patrolman Paris placed Vanessa under arrest for allegedly driving under the influence. After she was handcuffed, she was searched by Sergeant Mayer with the Monmouth County Sheriff's Office. The vehicle that she had been driving was impounded for a mandatory 12-hour hold under John's Law. She was transported to the Middletown Township Police Department for further processing.
Like your phone?
Yeah, that's right. I was just grabbing that right now. Hey, can you do a toe slip? I have it in my car. You need one? Did you already grab her shoes?
I did. They're on your front.
All right, thanks.
Front seat. On top of the bag.
I have your phone here, okay? Your car's gonna be locked up. It has to be towed.
I just want to call my lawyer.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll do that when we get in headquarters, okay?
Can I call him now?
No. The dispatcher's taking care of it.
Yeah, I don't have a dose of it.
You want to do it? Yeah, if you don't mind, so I can get her in there. All right, thanks.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks. I'm out of here. Was yours on?
I turned it on.
Okay, all right. Swing your feet out first.
I don't need those.
What?
I don't need shoes.
Oh, well, I don't want you to not have shoes for the rest of the night.
No,
I'm not saying you want them right now, but I just don't want you to walk out of here shoeless, though. Just face that wall to the left there.
At At the Middletown Township Police Department, Vanessa was read the standard statement for motor vehicle operators, and she responded by asking for a lawyer 2 separate times. This was considered a refusal. After the officers were finished with their paperwork, Vanessa was eventually released to a sober adult after he signed the potential liability warning form on Vanessa's behalf. Vanessa happens to be the ex-fiancée of Luis Ruelas, who is currently married to RHONJ star Teresa Giudice. Vanessa's case is still pending in court as of October 3rd, 2024.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Officer Van Schaack, Middletown Police. Just letting you know I'm recording on a camera on my chest, okay? Just step right in here. We'll talk real quick, all right? Just take a seat over there.
Yeah.
Vanessa's your mother?
Yes.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
I do, actually.
She was arrested for driving while intoxicated tonight.
Okay.
She got some tickets from me. Her car was towed. She just needs to come here after 10:30 tomorrow morning. Come right to the window, and we'll give her a release slip and tell her where the car was towed to.
Okay.
Okay. You're signing her out tonight. You're not going to let her drive another vehicle tonight.
Okay.
Right.
Of course.
And that's kind of it. So
I bring her back here 10:30 tomorrow to pick up her
correct. And
slip.
we'll tell you where it is.
Okay.
You can just sign right there.
Yep.
Okay. And she'll be out. She'll be out in 2 minutes. I'm just finishing up. So.
All right.
All right.
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna wait back in the lobby. Do you have any questions for me tonight?
No.
Okay. All right. Thanks for coming in so quick.
Yep. Thank you.
She was issued the following summonses: operating under the influence, consent to take samples of breath, reckless driving, and failure to possess driver insurance card.